So what is that? That
This is wax.
just wax, huh?
Like stores they ate for the winter.
That's the one that put eggs in.
So that's what they would be in the winter?
Yeah.
So they're all ready. Okay. Here, take this, Daddy.
That's their grocery store for the winter.
Oh, this is what they eat in the winter. They eat this for the winter. They eat that.
Oh, but they eat the honey out to leave it brown in it. But honey in there, they eat it out.
That used to be sheet. That they ate all the insulation off of there. Huh. This is where they live, or where they eat this.
Yeah, this is
wax?
all full of honey.
And they ate all the honey out of it. So they'll fill it back up in the winter or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, during the summer they'll refill it.
Okay.
I'm looking for the queen. What I'm doing. If we can get her,
He's looking for the queen, Daddy.
we'll be in good shape. I don't hardly ever find her. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hard to find one bee in a mess of bees.
Yeah.
Honey in it? No.
No?
Okay.
That's where they put the honey. You know? Is this all the honey?
This will be honey in the top here.
Yeah.
I don't know. They had a 5.